Kartarpur corridor from the Indian side to Pakistan. First we go to Dera Baba Nanak, which is on the Indian side, and this is the first border point which we have on the Indian side. We are here where they check your ETA, that's Electronic Travel Authority, issued from India, which you have to apply at least 14 days before the travel date online. And it is important to note that you get that confirmation only 3 to 4 days before the travel, even if you apply for it 30 days in advance. So you get the parking slip from here, and here we have our brave Indian soldiers who guard this place. And please make it sure that COVID-19 rapid test is still required at this place. Very organized car park here at Dera Baba Nanak once you enter the Indian side of the Kartarpur corridor, and they have only restricted number of cars that can come in for the day, and you especially have vehicle parking for ladies only. Wonderful arrangement, very neat and clean. Today is a very foggy day. It's around 10:15 right now as we proceed towards the Indian side of Dera Baba Nanak. So as you exit the parking, you have very nicely maintained toilets for men and women, a big complex. So don't worry if you have any pressures, you can get relieved here before you go for the immigration. And you have a nice food court probably inside. So plenty of amenities out here, and let's see when we go in. So here is the official welcome board, Shri Kartarpur Sahib Corridor ICP Dera Baba Nanak. And anybody wanting to give anything for langar, they have to buy things from here. There you can see some people queued up for immigration. Eko Onkar. So once you enter this place in the entry point in Kartarpur corridor, we have a vaccination center where you are given polio drops, because Pakistan is not polio free. So it is for your benefit that polio drops are given. And then there is a security check. So we'll proceed after the security check because no video is allowed during the security. So here we are out of the Indian Immigration and Customs. These golf carts will take us to Dera Baba Nanak, and from there onwards there will be Pakistani buses. So we are sitting now in the golf cart. Beautiful electric golf cart taking us to Dera Baba Nanak. It's cold and chilly morning with a lot of fog. Fog has reduced now, but still there and enjoyable. Welcome to Shri Kartarpur Sahib Corridor Dera Baba Nanak. You can clearly see these are the Indian gates and they are the Pakistani gates. And you can see Pakistani will take us through the buses. That is welcome to India. I don't see any sign of welcome to Pakistan, but definitely it will be there. Ji Aya Nu. In fact, it is there in Punjabi. So finally, we are crossing the Indian border. Ministry of Home Affairs, Land Ports Authority of India, and this is the white line which signals our entry into Pakistan. You can see the rangers from Pakistan, and we go to the immigration for Pakistan now. So all yatris from India are issued this temporary pass from immigration authorities in Pakistan to make sure that they are identified inside the Kartarpur Sahib complex. So here we are after Pakistani immigration, back to the bus to go to the Gurdwara.
वीडियो वगैरह तो आ जाए बनानी है और किसी ने भी मैडम तो आ जाए रोकना जरा नहीं बस हो गया वो आ गए पाकिस्तान जल्दी आ गया
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਰਡ ਆਣਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ
ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ
ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਮੈਂ
ਚਲੋ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਲਓ
It's a beautiful 4.5 kilometers way from immigration control of Pakistan to Kartarpur Sahib, and there we see another barrier coming up from Pakistan. That's the first sight of the entry to the Gurdwara. All the pilgrims entering, and the main complex is just behind this.
ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੋੜੇ ਜਮਾ ਕਰਵਾਉਣੇ ਜੋੜੇ ਜਮਾ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਗਰ ਹੱਥ ਧੋਣੇ ਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਤੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੀਵਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਸ਼ ਬੇਸਿਨ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਂਡ ਵਾਸ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ.
So as we enter, we have lockers and Jodakar there. We'll just deposit our shoes. So we were into, it's a beautiful, just too beautiful Gurdwara. Very well maintained. So this is a bathing spot for females inside. Very clean. And probably ahead is the bathing spot for men. There we are at the men's Sarovar Sahib. Slowly we proceed towards Gurdwara Sahib. On the right is the Sarovar Sahib. You are allowed to take bottles of the pure water back when you are going. There are restrictions on products that we can take from here back to India. Specifically, no soil, no dry fruits, but we can take prasad, we can take water, the holy water. This seems to be a very sacred tree at Kartarpur Sahib. We'll see if we can get some story of this. That is Devan Asthan. I think cleaners are on permanent job out here. Very well done. Mazar Sahib. There we enter the main Gurudwara, and 1521 में गुरु नानक देव जी यहाँ पे आए थे. उसके बाद 18 साल यहाँ पे रहे.
दिसंबर 2139 में जब उनकी डेथ यहाँ पे चले गए.
जब वो इस दुनिया से चले गए, हिंदुओं और मुसलमानों ने दोनों ने उनकी बॉडी पे अपना हक जताया, पर जब उनकी बॉडी देखी तो वहाँ सिर्फ फूल थे, बॉडी गायब थी। उन फूलों को आधों को यहाँ पे हिंदुओं ने अपने रीति रिवाज के हिसाब से करा और मुसलमानों ने बाहर आधे फूलों से उनकी मज़ार बनाई। Sacred well, water from this holy well. You can take as much of water you want to your homes. It's available here in plastic bottles. So as we come out of the Gurudwara, main Gurudwara, after visiting the main shrine, we walk towards a small market which they have made for basically specifically for the Indian visitors. It is within this corridor, so we can't step anywhere outside this. These are the limits, so that we go back directly from here. So this is the small market at Kartarpur Sahib, which has been opened for tourists basically who are coming from India. A nice and beautiful boutique market, and people who think that they can't get currency exchange if they don't get their currency exchange at the immigration, you can still get it here. And buying rate and selling rate is same. So you have a kulfa point, you have a jutti store, you have a cloth store, 4-5 cloth stores and a souvenir shop for Kartarpur Sahib. Nice and small market, enjoy. I won't show you all so that you don't miss your shopping fun when you come here.
सुन सुन जीवन तेरी बाणी, सुन सुन जीवन तेरी बाणी। मेरे साहिब तू, मेरे साहिब तू, मैं मानने मानी, मैं मानने मानी।